Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use command blocks for modern house designs. We'll cover everything from basic setup to advanced automation. Command blocks are powerful tools that can transform your builds, allowing for intricate mechanisms and interactive elements. You can create dynamic environments, making your modern home truly unique and functional with just a few simple commands. To begin, you'll need to get a command block. Simply type /give it p command_block into your chat. Once placed, right-click it to open the command input interface. Here, you can enter various commands, such as /setBlock to change a block or /fill to create larger structures. Remember to connect your command block to a redstone power source for activation, allowing for automated functions. Now, let's explore some advanced automation for your modern home. Imagine automatic lights that turn on at night using a daylight sensor connected to a command block. You can also build hidden piston doors that open with a pressure plate, adding a secret touch to your design. For even more sophistication, consider a smart storage system that sorts items into designated chests. These features elevate your build from a simple house to a truly interactive and modern dwelling. For a truly seamless modern home, it's crucial to integrate your command blocks discreetly. Always conceal them and their redstone wiring within your walls, floors, or ceilings to maintain a clean aesthetic. Make sure to test each command individually to ensure it functions perfectly before incorporating it into your larger build. Utilize chain and repeat command blocks for complex sequences or continuous effects. Finally, label your command blocks clearly for easy management and future adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.